Welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, using plants to enhance your space affordably.
Absolutely. Plants can really transform a room, and you don't need to break the bank to do it.
Right. So what's our first tip, Alex?
A great starting point is choosing low magnanimous plants. Snake plants and pothos are perfect for beginners.
Yes, they're not only resilient, but also purify the air. Plus, they look stunning.
I love how versatile they are. You can place them on shelves, hang them, or even use them as a centerpiece.
Speaking of centerpieces, have you tried grouping plants in odd numbers?
Oh, definitely. Grouping them can create a more dynamic look. It's like arranging a little green art display.
Exactly, and don't forget about using different heights and textures to add depth.
Right. And you can even DIY your plant pots. A simple paint job can elevate a dull pot.
That's a great life hack. You can use leftover paint from other projects too.
Other tip, consider propagation. It's a budget-friendly way to expand your plant collection.
Yes. Just take cuttings from your existing plants and watch them grow. It's rewarding and cost efficient.
And for those tight on space, vertical gardens are a game changer.
Absolutely. You can use Walmart planters or even repurpose an old ladder for a unique display.
I love that idea. It adds a pop of greenery without taking up floor space.
Plus, it's a great conversation starter when you have guests over.
Definitely. And let's not forget about seasonal changes. You can switch plants based on the season for a fresh look.
That's such a fun way to keep your space feeling new. It's like a mini seasonal refresh.
So to wrap up, remember, choose low-maintenance plants, group them creatively, and don't hesitate to DIY.
Yes. Plants can enhance your space beautifully without costing a fortune. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have many more interesting themes waiting for you.
We'll see you next time on Design Talk.